Bang, 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 bang! Ah, good job! Wait, Deadpool? Yeah? Yo, what's up, my friend? Good job. I'm surprised you recognized me. Well, how could I not? Parker's back there. Yeah, I know. I went around to go get him. Yeah, he's in there now. He's in there where we were. Ow. Wait. Yeah. You're right there. Go get him. Go get him, champ. I'm coming, motherfucker! Gotta get him. Alright, come on. Is there no one down the hallway? Probably. Hey! Hey! Yeah. Parker! Parker! I found Parker, guys! Bang, 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 bang! Deadpool, what's up? Oh, that's yours. Deadpool's over there. Oh, there you are. Carson, do you see someone?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to.
Ah, I can see. I kind of fell down. I'm surprised. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get up from this without getting shot. I think I'm gonna get shot, so. Have a good day, Parker! I know, I was trying. Parker got me because I fell.